What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your tag lights on a 2014 Subaru Crosstrek, also known as your license plate lights. It's a simple job and you can do it in probably 2-3 minutes. No sense in taking your vehicle to a mechanic or the dealer to have it done because you're just throwing your money away. I'm also going to be upgrading to an LED, and I got these LEDs from Diode Dynamics. These are the cool white version of the lights in 56 lumens. They also come in 24 lumens and 94 lumens. I decided to go to the middle of the road because at nighttime when I put my car in reverse, I don't need my lights off my license plate to be washing out my backup camera. So let's get the camera moved and we'll get these put in. Okay, so I've got my two LEDs out and I'm going to be putting some of this Mission Automotive silicone paste on them, and the main reason I'm doing it is just to protect the contacts. I live in Minnesota and they do put down a lot of salt on the roads, so let me get these contacts painted up here really quick. You see, here's what you're doing to them. The thing you do is just painting a little of this on the contacts. First one. All right, let's get pulling the bulbs out here. Okay, these are really easy to take out. Only thing I'm doing is pushing on the outside towards the inside, and when I push in, I'm going to lift up with my finger so it pops out. Once you do that, put your finger on the inside and give it a push outside and just rock it out a little bit when you remove it. There you are. Now I'm going to be painting these contacts on here, so I'm also going to be removing the clip. So there's a little detent on here. You're just going to push that down and pull it out. Now you'll see here's the tab you're pushing against when you're unlocking it. To get your bulb out, you're just going to turn this counterclockwise. There's the bulb. Pull it out. Take the LED. And push it in. And we're just going to put this in. You only go in one way. And give it a little turn clockwise to lock it back in place. Then we're going to reconnect it. Now we're going to put it back in the hole. So we're going to put the outside in first. Make sure it's all seated and then push into place. Same thing on this one. We're going to start on the outside, push towards the inside, lift up, then push towards the outside with the other finger. Disconnect this one, unlock it, bulb out. Let's see how easy these are to do. That's it. We get this one plugged back in. Remember, put the outside in first, then push the center down, or the inside down. That's all there is to it. Let me go We'll turn the key here and we'll see if we got both lights working. There you have it. Both lights work. I'll come out a little bit later on tonight and I'll take some pictures and shoot a little bit of video so you guys can see what they look like. So that was really a very quick job. The big thing is you don't need to be taking your car to a mechanic or a dealer to do stuff like this. It's simple. You guys can do it. Don't be afraid to work on your car. Take care, everybody, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye now.